Hey, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. I hope everybody's doing okay. Everybody's doing fine, lovelies. Okay, today we have a post review of Paintsomeway of an unboxing that I did the previous week. So let's get started. They turn out to be beautiful. Take a look at this first one. I already did the Mod Podge. I forgot. I already did the Mod Podge sealing of this. This is the first one. I did like them. They're kind of southwestern, you know, native or Mexican Aztec type things. Probably they're mandalas, but take a look at this. I did like the way the drills came in. One thing though, some of the colors, it comes with exact number of drills. Not on this one. I don't remember which one of the three, but most of them comes exactly amount or close to it. So there's some left, but not as much as other one. Take a look at those colors in blue. I like this one. And take a look at this one. Let me see. No, I don't remember on this one either whether they came out, these ones came out the same amount of color. No, I think there was two left on this one. But take a look at how pretty they are. The color combination, it's like a mandala southwestern style, you know. That's beautiful. This is beautiful. I love the colors. I love the shining. The drills are very shiny, you know. The blue, the turquoise. The blue, it's like a turquoise blue, especially on this one. That's what I think. This is like a southwestern style. If anybody knows about those symbols, let me know. And take a look at this one, how colorful this one is. It looks like a phoenix or something. Look at how colorful this is. Oh, this one, this yellow one, they came out the exact number of them. Exactly. Take a look at this. And they have other variety. I'm planning to get the other ones too. So they are beautiful. Paintsomeway, I don't know if they have any. I forgot to put any code. If they gave me a code for you guys. No, there is no code. No discount code for this. So I will have to check it out, but these are pretty. I like these ones, definitely. Special shape, 30 by 30. It only took me about 2 days, 2.5 days to do all 3 of them. Okay, and these blue colors, look at this. Look at these stones. They are so pretty, 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 and easy. And you see, it doesn't flop around with the drills get heavy. The Mod Podge helps you to make it a little bit stiffer, so you can, you know, either hang it or put it in a frame. Get you closer. So I'm passing these through again so you can see them. Tell me which one you like. This one, number 1, number 2, and then number 3. Tell me which one you like. I like this one a lot because it has the turquoise kind of color and it's like southwestern style. That one, this one, which I show you, especially this center over here, I like that. And this very colorful one, very colorful. This had the impression of wings. It's like a southwestern dream catcher. Take a look at these drills. The shine on the drills. Even with the Mod Podge, I did a treatment. Beautiful they are. Well, folks, this is for Paintsomeway. That's a new company on my channel. This is a paid promotion. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.